It's fine. Hi everyone, it's Julie at Gems. I say we, Cameron's also here.
Hello.
Just wave at the front of the store. I am going to take you through some newly reduced Go2 clothing pieces. We've got more, and these are also drastically reduced by most of them between 60 and 75% off. Cameron's updating the back end of the website right now, so all those prices will be reflected when you go to gemsboutique.ca. This collection is our most recent. It's from the Go2 Work collection that we launched last fall, and I will get started with what I'm wearing. So I've got 3 pieces on from this collection. We use this amazing Ponte fabric in our 2 coats that we did, the pants that I'm wearing, and a skirt, which I actually forgot to pull. Cameron! Yeah, I won't do it right away, but whatever. So it is a 95-5 blend, so it's got Lycra in it. It's super soft, it's super comfortable, and all of these pieces that I'm going to show you are perfect for, we're calling it your Zoom look, because I'm sure a lot of you who are getting on Zoom calls, conference calls, work calls from home, doesn't really matter what happens below the waist, but you probably want to look put together from the top up. So I've got on this is the shorter little coat that we did, thank you. And it doesn't have a clasp, it doesn't have buttons, it's just meant to be worn open. And I've paired it with our chiffon blouse and the narrow Ponte pant. So the Ponte pant has a little slit detail in the bottom. Again, like, these pants feel like butter. Like, they're not a legging. They are definitely a pant. They have an elastic band at the top. They're a nice mid-rise. And so yes, as I said, they're not a legging, they're a pant, but they do feel like a legging. They are as comfortable as a legging. So the Claire Shorty jacket was $100, and it is marked down to $40. So it just sits like this. So it'd be really cute with a tank under it. I like it with a chiffon blouse underneath it. It's just a nice throw over piece, makes you look polished. Also, if you are, I'm 5'10", but if you are petite in height, this is also a great piece to have in your wardrobe. The chiffon blouse that I'm wearing also comes in this really pretty gray color. So we did it in 2 colors that are for all seasons, all year round. And the other really fun thing about the blouse that we added for detail, is a tab on the inside of the sleeve that you can button up on the side. So it looks really cute rolled up. It has this V, and then it's buttoned all the way down, and just a cute basic collar. So the chiffon blouse was $60, and it is now $30. So a great piece to have. This stands on its own. I have it paired underneath this coat, and you could also pair it underneath our full-length blazer or our longer blazer. But this piece definitely stands on its own. Lots of really great details. So that, you could also, I'll post it on our social media later, but in our photo shoot that we did for this last fall, Cameron unbuttoned a couple and had like a high-waisted pair of jeans on and had this knotted at the bottom with a bunch of chains on. It looked really, really fresh. So the pants that I'm wearing, I've talked about these. So these are these Heather? These are Holly. The Holly pants. Holly is the pants and Heather is the skirt. So the Holly pants were $89.99 and they are now $35. So all of the pieces that I'm talking about today all run extra, extra small to extra, extra large. There is limited sizing on a lot of this collection, but whatever is left, we are selling at these prices. And I'll just grab the skirt to show you. So we have our Georgie skirt, which is our jersey skirt, and this is pretty much the same. We actually extended the waistband a little bit on it for comfort, but the length is the same, and this is also in the Ponte fabric. Super short. Because this fabric is a little bit thicker, we do find, not that anyone has needed to size down, but the pieces are a little more fitted than what other Go2 clothing pieces are in jersey or other fabrics that we've worked with. So just a note on that. If you were in between sizes in Go2, I would size up for anything that we're doing in Ponte. So it's the pants, the skirt, this little coat that I'm wearing, and the other blazer that I'll show you. The Heather skirt was $79.99 and it is now $30. So as I said earlier on this post, Cameron's updating everything right now on the back end of the website. So all these new prices that I'm telling you about will be reflected on our website, gemsboutique.ca. You can also DM us on Facebook, on Instagram. You can email us for any questions that you have about sizing or pricing. And one of my favorites that we've ever done in Go2 Clothing, I wanted to do a blazer for a really long time and I was really happy with this piece, the amber blazer. So it's a little bit more of a fitted coat, unlike the one that I'm wearing where this one doesn't have a clasp. This one, and you can see this coat's just straight down. This one comes in a little bit and it's got like a faux / pocket here. Just a great collar on it. And then we also did it, so we did it in this gorgeous fuchsia color and we also did it in black. So this piece, again, if you're in between sizes, I would definitely size down. I mean, the whole idea behind this, you could wear this chiffon blouse that I'm wearing just because it's super thin, but if you're wearing this coat, you're more than likely wearing something sleeveless underneath it. A tank, like one of our Go2 tanks is great underneath this. One of the fitted tanks, if anybody follows Style Becomes Her, yes, Kimberly Rashid, our friend, just did an amazing video on a tank that we have in store right now. It's ribbed, it's super fitted, it would be perfect underneath this blazer. So the amber was $120 and it is now $50. So awesome deals and steals on these Go2 pieces while the quantities last. And the last piece for today's drastically reduced Go2 clothing pieces is our reversible tunic that we did. This piece is in jersey. We did these two really pretty colors. We did navy. So many of you were asking for navy. We did navy this past fall. We also did it in a narrow pant, our best-selling narrow pant. And we did this really nice burgundy Merlot color. The great thing about this tunic is that it is reversible. So there's a V on one side for the neck and the other side is scoop. So this is like a true tunic length. It's a few inches longer than the tanks that we sell. Not long enough to be a dress. Well, I say that again, I'm 5'10". Certainly not long enough to be a dress on me, but it is meant to be a tunic. There's a couple slits, there's slits in the side of this for really nice movement. And this was, is this the Cassie? It is. I keep asking Cameron questions because she's here. This was the Cassie, she's out in the back. It was $89.99 and it is now $30. So, lots of really fun pieces. I know on the bottoms, you know, the tops for any of you that are, as I said, doing conference calls, doing Zoom calls, these are really great pieces to kind of allow you to feel fresh and instantly pulled together. The bottoms, maybe you wouldn't get as much wear out of them right now, but if you are going to be going back to a work setting anytime after this is all over, I highly recommend these pieces. They would be a little heavy for summer, but I'm still wearing mine right now, especially today when it's pretty brisk out there, and they would be perfect for basically 3 out of 4 seasons a year. Or if you have air conditioning in your office, these would still work. So we hope everyone is taking care. Great news from Dr. Heather Morrison the other day, talking about letting up on, or starting the new normal, whatever that looks like, with lessening up on some of the restrictions. Hopefully we all get to see some family members or close friends again soon. Hope you're all taking care. Thank you again so much for your orders. We are still donating 10% of all of our profits here at GEMS to the PEI food bank. And as I say on every one of my posts, to support local wherever you can. Discover Charlottetown has a great guide up of all vendors and merchants who are offering, still offering goods in a safe manner. And if you can check that out, and if you are able to, local businesses need your support now more than ever. Take care, everyone. It's almost the weekend. I think it's supposed to get really sunny tomorrow and warm, which is super exciting. Take care, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.